Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, YouTube. What's going on? It's your boy Joey Does Tech, and welcome back to another video. This one's going to be a little bit different, similar to the Xbox One. I have a Razer Naga mouse that I want to clean, basically. It's extremely dirty, and what you're going to see on the screen in a second is a couple of pictures before I've managed to clean it. I want to take it apart. I want to see how a mouse works. I want to get rid of all the gunk and goo that's around the numbers on the side from number 1 to 12, as well as just clear around the laser on the bottom. The clicks aren't as good as what they used to be, so we'll have a look at that. And I'm not really interested at the moment in buying anything on eBay to look for repairs. Because of all this whole virus thing, it kind of puts me off a little bit. But I'm starting to look for stuff around the house I can either clean or repair. If I have to break it to repair it, then so be it. It's going to be a nice short sweet one, guys. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you at the end of the video. The Razer Naga, in my opinion, is my favourite gaming mouse. At the moment, I'm using a Logitech G Pro gaming mouse, and it just doesn't feel the same. I've managed to get a good 6 or 7 years out of my Razer Naga, and as you can see from the pictures, it definitely shows. To start off the process, we needed to remove the rubber that was surrounding the bottom of the Naga. This proved to be a little bit difficult because the adhesive was so old, it was just ruining the rubber completely. Then I removed the 4 screws that was underneath the rubber. This allowed me to take the mouse apart completely. Now, being that this is the first time I've ever seen the inside of a mouse, I was having a little bit of a play, which could be considered quite dangerous because I didn't know what I was touching. I just knew basics of not pulling wires out that don't look like they should be pulled out. As you can see, it's very dirty. There's so much grime and grease in between the cracks, and with a little bit of force, we were able to pull off the first part. I saw a couple of screws on the side of the mouse that I thought if I unscrewed would release the numbers from 1 to 12 so I could take them out separately and just give them a bit of a clean, but that wasn't the case. And at this point, the tripod fell over. The mouse wheel itself was where most of the grime was kept, so it took me a very long time to clean that up, but we also focused our attention to cleaning the button clicks. Now, to do this, we used isopropyl alcohol with a Q-tip. and after giving the side of the mouse a bath, it was now time to focus on the buttons labelled 1 to 12 on the side. These little legends helped me through my World of Warcraft career. As we come to the end of the video, I just wanted to make it clear to you guys, I know this isn't the highest quality of videos that I've ever put out, but once again, it's all about finding these new things to clean, restore, rebuild, repair, modify if needs be, and to just have fun doing it, which I am. And I know that there's a lot that's going on in the world right now, and you see it on the news, you see it on your Facebook, your Twitter, all social media, you can hear it everywhere. You know, you can even hear people outside on the streets clapping, which, by the way, I thought was an amazing gesture for the NHS. But at the same time, as mad and crazy as everyone's going to go, just being stuck in their houses, we also all need to try and find little things that are going to keep us entertained and busy. And this, for me, is 100% one of them. It's top of the list. Even if that means just taking apart a device or a controller or a TV, a set of speakers, something, just to see what it's like inside and try and make myself familiar with the technology that's being used. I'm very interested in buying certain job lots and repair stuff from eBay at the moment, and one of the things that I'm excited for the most will be to get a job lot, let's say of about 10 devices or so, try and fix them and see how many we can get working from a complete beginner's perspective. If you have made it this far to the end, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. If you want to see more content, subscribe, and I will see you next time. See you later.